Hello, this is Orencio from Best Vision Accounting, here to talk to you about home office tax deduction. The home office tax deduction is a certain amount that you can claim as an expense on your Schedule C that you report in your taxes. Example, if you have a home office that represents 10% of your total amount of the home, then you can take 10% of your utilities, 10% of your taxes, 10% of anything you spent in your house, and put it in as a home office deduction. There is also a simplified method that needs to be taken into account that sometimes is simpler than putting all the percentages of every deduction that there is. Now, there is always two restrictions to the home office. You have to have income from that home office, and also that space needs to be used solely for the purpose of the business. It cannot be a mutual computer inside a room that somebody sleeps in it. It has to be completely dedicated to the home office of that business. Also, in the home office deduction is one of the most audited forms in the IRS because a lot of people put in the deduction without qualifying for it. So it's one of the main red flags that the IRS looks for. One of the things that I try to do is make sure that when you have a home office deduction, you have multiple streams of revenue. Example, you're an employee at a hospital, but you also do freelancing as a measurement officer or whatever other side job you have. You should have multiple streams of income because one of the requirements of having a home office is having income related to that home office. Entrepreneurs can take advantage of the home office deduction if they have a Schedule C that comes inside their own personal tax returns. Usually when you're small enough that you have not incorporated yet, which is very important to get incorporated to limit liability, then an entrepreneur can take advantage of this deduction mainly to reduce their tax burden, specifically because it's in a Schedule C that they pay self-employment tax plus income tax. So it's an extra 15.3% tax that they're paying on every single dollar that you make. So entrepreneurs, make sure you keep track of all your home expenses.